Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news and celebrity gossip. So guys, hey Nina, isingaka. You guys, if you don't know this by now, I really do not know, but allegedly we were alleging, I also posted a video on this channel. We were alleging that Zayn Buchi got married, right? And then also the allegations were saying that the rumors and the allegations, because allegedly, Anditi, they were saying that the guy is apparently from Limpopo. He is a vendor guy. Some were saying he's a Zimbabwean guy, very, very money desana, very, very rich guy. And it's obvious, like, why would Sayan Buchi get married to someone who is not rich? Because desana money talks. Washo nje naye what girlfriend allowance talks. But those were allegations. She didn't agree to anything, but there was a picture that was leaked. She was just wearing vele, as in something that is showing good, this person could be getting lobola. So she also released a video on TikTok, I think, saying that her accounts are frozen, wara because guys, eh, for those who know, they know that she said that she bought a 10 million rand mansion. Ne? So ke yena maka explain uti the accounts got blocked, her accounts are frozen, bank accounts are frozen because of that in ini. But when I start to do some digging, yana, because I have to dig, kuthiwa ke this was revealed by a close source, ne? Kuthiwa allegedly the lobola money was paid straight into her account sana. Ayikho yokuthi negotiations unikeza bobani ugirl vele wathi ini. I suffered alone in this mjolo. I suffered alone, the heartbreaks alone, and I am still going to be suffering alone. So nje, give me the moolah. So kuthiwa ke the lobola money is 250K, and it was sent straight to her bank account by this rich guy allegedly. We are still saying allegedly, Sana, because the owner of the news did not confirm, did not say anything. What did she do? She deactivated all her social media platforms. Sayan Pucci deactivated all her social media platforms. We don't know why. And beginning of this year, she announced to Gutiena she will be off taking gigs and whatnot. She will be off and she needs. And then after saying that, and after the Lobolo negotiations, girl, there was a video where people were alleging, good, it looks like something is cooking in the oven. And then that's where people say, oh, okay, it could be the reason she said she will be off taking DJing gigs and all of that, because there's something cooking in the oven. But also nalapo it's allegations because she didn't agree or say anything about it, right? Just people nje pointing from the video that they saw. Ne? Sharp. So kuthiwa ke allegedly, guys, allegedly she is under investigation. That's why she deleted the she deactivated her social media platforms because the husband slash boyfriend slash fiance, I don't know what to say, is involved in corruption. Nina, Nina, hey Nina. And also, yeah, it could happen because 250K, guys, is a lot of money. And I know because Susanna, when a huge sum of money gets deposited into your bank account, well, the bank will freeze the account and then you must provide proof where that money came from, and then they will allow you to use your account. It's just bank policy, Jay. It's bank policy. They need to know the source of funds. And to say that she bought the mentioned 10 million rand and herself, on that one, allegedly, it was bought by this rich boyfriend that paid lobola straight into her bank account. So Ugel deactivated all her social media platforms. People can find her on social media. And then they were worried, they started posting about it, and then people started searching. Even Nama started searching for her. We couldn't find her anywhere. So Shuguti, she's so good, man. People are just talking about me in these streets, let me just go there and tell them where to get off. She went into her accounts. So when you deactivate your accounts, you can still use the account if you decide to come back. It's like a breaking of some sort. She came back, yeah, okay, on TikTok, and she was like, guys, I'm fine. Please stop talking about me. I deactivated my accounts because you guys want to control me. Kanti unamanga. You know that you are allegedly under the investigation. I hope it's not true, Sana. I am really a fan of Zayn Buji. Like, oh, love her to bits. So she's saying Gutiana, she only deactivated her accounts because people like controlling her. And also there's this fake marriage, there's this fake rumor that Yana, she got married, so she just needs a break and she needs peace. She doesn't need people all up in her business. Is she saying that she didn't get married? Pelilobola, it's marriage, guys, in our black culture, so we are just going to refer to it as marriage. So I don't know. I kind of got the vibes that okay, Shugutu girl didn't get married. Is she denying the allegations? But I don't know, son. I really don't know. But what I know is that iqiniso, the truth will set you free, and the truth, son, always has a way of coming out one way or another. Even if you hide, you deactivate your accounts. If you're also involved in that fraud, they will catch you. I hope not. And as I said, allegedly. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next upload. Bye.